Hello everyone, it's 23rd December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have India New Zealand wraps FTA talks aim to double trade in 5 years. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have disturbing public order accounts for 50% of takedowns notices in 2x. Again, very important for cybersecurity perspective. Then we have new land, new concerns, schools and parents worry how fee caps will work. Again, very important for education perspective. Then we have Audi ramps into parked cars, driver injured. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have top 20 polluted stations of 2024 located in Delhi NCR. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Jaishankar visits cyclone hit Sri Lanka as Prime Minister's special envoy. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have mining only in 0.919% of Aravali after detailed study, says Minister. Again, very important for environment perspective. Going forward, we have the editorial page where we have in Bangladesh fake promises and a false enemy. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have 5 vehicles bought for rupees 7 crore and 5 crore spent on customization. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the explain page where we have Aravali benchmark could have effects beyond mining. Again, very important for environmental perspective. Then we have higher education bill puts focus on simplifying governance. Again, very important for education perspective. Then we have Bangladesh violence in run up to polls. Who stands to gain, who loses? Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the world page where we have government failed to protect us. Minorities hit Dhaka streets. Then we have Bondi gunmen also used pipe bombs in attack. Then we have Pakistan, China in 24 MOUs to strengthen a digital collaboration. Then we have Russian general killed by car bomb in Moscow. Then we have Thailand, Cambodia to resume ceasefire talks after border clashes. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have continued focused on macros reforms to enable economy maintain high growth. Again, very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.